hambog ng Sagro Crew.
Where's my money?
Go get it, 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 go get it. Yo, man.
Here we go.
We gon' get it right, oh, 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 disturbing the peace, oh, so deaf, this the remix. Let's do it. I like the way you do that right there, Switch the hips and walk and let down your hair, I like the way you do that right there, Let's go.
Hey, listen, hey saying get with this, just like a membership. Hey talking slick like this is it, but it's just gibberish. I say I'm interested, they say you different. How you gon' know even if you don't let us in?
They don't know about us, they don't know about us. They don't know about us, they don't know about us. They don't know about us, they think we dumb, diddy dumb.
But they
You
gon'
got ass and shake that if you got ass and shake that. You got ass and shake that if you got ass and shake that.
Let's have some fun.
put your hands.
Kaya kayo no, feeling nyo kasi sa inyo lang umiikot ang mundo.
Now this one dedicated to all of you them who out there and love to say nice things to them girls.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done? It's all good when you live for your pure fun, can't be a fool.
Dougie, fresh like ice, fresh like Dougie, 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 fresh like.
Check this out.
Get it, 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 drop. 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 Get it, drop.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
What's up, Vibe? How you guys doing?
Wow. Yeah, you step up in my dimension.
You can uncage them.
Yeah. Sup? Basta na. May sinulat ako. Tungkol sa'yo. Tungkol sa akin. Tungkol sa ating dalawa. Parang Agua and Bendita. Ganito nangyari nun. Yo! Nakatambay ako, syempre gawaing binatilyo. Ako ay nag-iisa at hawak ko ay sigarilyo. At bigla kang dumaan at ako'y napatingin. Tumayo akong bigla na parang may naisingin. Ano kaya yun? Siguro numero, di ko alam ang gagawin. Bigla akong natuliro. Huminga ko ng malalim, ang loob nila kasal. Ang nagdadamang ka ba sa katawan nilang pasan? Itinanong sa'yo, Miss, teka lang, anong pangalan mo? Sabi mo naman,
Bakit at ano naman sa'yo?
Sabi ko ulit sa'yo, gusto ko lang malaman, baka pwede naman ate sa'yo makipagkaibigan. Ang sagot mo sa'kin,
Susi lang naman pala eh. Walang problema doon, basta't nandiyan ka lang palagi. Pag ako'y nalulumbay, maaasahan ba kita?
ang sagot ko sa iyo, syempre naman, ako pa. Alam mo, hindi mo ba alam? Kasi, ngayon ko palang sasabihin. Bakit nung una pa lang kitang nakita, sinaplot mo na kagad ang puso ko? Di ka naman snatcher, diba? Bakit kaya? Isa pa, ano bang meron sa'yo? Nakakaiba, hindi ko nakita sa iba. Kaya simula ng oras na yun, pinangako ko sa sarili ko, nag-iingatan kita. Ako magiging soldier boy mo habang buhay.